Welcome back to JJ Central DIY channel. If your Honda, in this case Honda Accord 8th generation 2008 to 2015 range, 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine is consuming a lot of oil, like you have to add a quart of oil every month or so. One of the primary things that you need to do, a simple fix that you should be doing anyway, is to change the PCV valve. So here it is. A simple PCV valve. The location for that is right here. See where this hose goes? Yep, right there. All you're gonna do is remove this hose and use a 17mm socket to take that off and put this back in with the new crush washer. All right, let's do it. All right, so all I'm gonna do is use a long nose needle nose pliers or any pliers. Basically hook up the clamp, bring it back, and then pull this off gently. There you go, it's out. There's the PCV valve. I'm using a 17mm socket, and okay, easy. Came loose. I can hand loosen it now. There it is, the PCV valve. It actually looks pretty brand new, so somebody has already changed it. But see that sound? Let's try the new one. It's a new one. Much more free. But honestly, the old one wasn't bad either. So let's put this back anyway because it's new. Okay, with the brand new crush washer. Don't cross thread it. There you go. Perfect. Now let's tighten it. Okay. Just enough to crush the washer. A little bit, that's it. Right, that's done. Let's put the hose back just like that, and then we can put the clamp in there. Okay, right there. Good. Looks pretty good. It's not too brittle. All good, I say. And that's it. That's the end of changing the PCV valve. That generally takes care of the oil consumption problems. And if you have serious oil consumption problem, then you need to worry about much more inside the engine, which basically means you're in for a total rebuild at some point. All right, so hope this was helpful, but that is important maintenance to do. I also have another video for oxygen sensor change. Check that out. I have another video on this for all the rest of the filters, air filters and all that. So please check that out. And so much done in this car. If you own this car, similar car, there's so many videos related to this in my channel. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.